I'm Dr. Eric Snow with Snow Holistic Health, and today I want to talk to you about safe soda pops. Um, we have to be careful with the different drinks out there. They've been making them for years, but diet sodas are the class of sodas that I'm talking about. It's a bit of a misnomer. They call it a diet soda, but when you look at the synthetic sweeteners that they use in there, they actually do not help you lose weight. And so things like the aspartame and Diet Cola and Splenda have been shown to actually create a bit of an insulin spike. And the problem with that is even though that soda does not have any calories in it, when you stimulate insulin, you stimulate your appetite and you decrease your body's ability to burn fat. So you can actually not lose any weight drinking a diet soda and possibly even put on more weight because it drives your appetite up. And so we've seen a lot of awesome innovations since we've been doing natural health and natural medicine. And we really like this company here. It's a company called Zevia, and they make a couple different flavors. This is Dr. Zevia, which is their Dr. Pepper. They have root beer Zevia, and then my favorite is Zevia Cola. And you can get this with caffeine or without caffeine. And so you can get a little bit of an energy boost. It's real clean. There's no calories in it like a diet soda. However, the stevia doesn't spike the insulin. And we haven't found or seen any significant research that's come about since they've studied stevia that it does do that spike or cause any major problems in the body. And so you can get the 0-calorie soda that you're looking for. But it's a fun way, even with kids. In a perfect world, we would just not let them have any sugar at all. But it's really good just to use it like as a treat. But the soda pops are just so dangerous. So I'm talking about regular Sprite, regular root beer, Coca-Cola, these different things, and even the energy drinks that are loaded with corn syrup or sugar. It just promotes that metabolic stress, which leads to type 2 diabetes, metabolic syndrome, lots of inflammation. It throws the gut biome off because you're putting so much sugar in there. And those things with the corn syrup can actually lead to fatty liver disease. And so we don't want that. And so this is a really good option. I drink maybe a couple of these a month. I like them, if I'm looking for a soda pop. And it's real easy for your kids, to have an alternative. So they're having something fun or, sweet, but they're not doing damage to their body. And they have some other companies out there that make similar drinks with monk fruit, which is another safe sweetener, or maybe a combination of stevia and monk fruit. And then some of them, we still consider them like a decent soda because they're lower in sugar, but you just have to really get into learning how to read the label on the back to see what's in there. And so anything is better than drinking regular corn syrup laden soda pop. So something that has less sugar, that's a good transition. And if you can get used to drinking something with stevia in it, which their stevia has a good taste, not a bad aftertaste, this is just a really good option for your family. But hey, if you're interested in taking your health to the next level, into root causes, figuring out what's really going on with your health, prevention, give our office a call at 327-478-1313. I'm Dr. Eric Snow, helping you transform your health naturally.